Here is the Hyundai Tucson. Let's go ahead and get started. In order to access the bulb, first thing we have to do is open up the hatch. So let's go ahead, and now we need to get this light out of there because there's no way to access the bulb from inside. First thing we have to do is get this plastic cover off. There are two slots. For that we have to get a small flathead screwdriver, put it right in that slot there, and then pull this cover out. Once it's out a little bit, just grab it and it comes right out. There are three slots over there, and these three tabs on the cover, they go in the slots there. 1, 2 and 3 up there. We need to take off these two bolts. For that you need a 10mm socket ratchet combination. You can also use a Phillips screwdriver, but I would suggest using the socket ratchet because it makes sure you don't end up stripping those bolts off because they may be on there a little tight. We need to slide the light out back straight, but first just grab the light and wiggle it, get it a little bit loose, and now try to slide it out to the back, and it should just come right out. That little cutout goes on the white tab there. This pin goes inside over there, and these two holes, that's where the bolts go in, the 10mm bolts that we took out. That's the bulb holder for the parking light. Just grab it, twist it left, and out it comes. Now grab the bulb and pull it out straight. And the bulb number is 194. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. Make sure this bulb holder is sitting flush. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops down and sits in flush like this. Good. At this point you can twist your right to lock it, and you're done. Now when you're putting the light back in, you have to focus on the front edge over there. We need to make sure that little cutout goes onto the white clip there. Otherwise the light will not stay in place. So put one hand on the front edge, one hand on the back, pushing it in. Let's just see how it goes in. It does not sticking out, so that's good. Give it one final push, and let's put the bolts back in. Just hand tighten them down first, and then let's just tighten them down using the 10mm socket ratchet combination. Let's align those three tabs over there with the three slots, and then once it's in place, just give it a push. See, it goes in just over there. Right. Now let's push it over here, and it's clicked in place. And that's good. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Here in Ottawa, Canada, check out the link in description for their entire inventory.